lovely people, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is gonna be so weird because this is gonna be the first time I'm going to college, with like everybody in college, because we have internals and for some reason we have offline internals. Firstly, I don't know anything actually. We're just studying from in between and studying the questions we think are gonna come. So hopefully those are the questions that come, and my teachers don't play an Uno reverse on us. But other than that, it's very scary because I don't know how it's going to be. Firstly, I've said firstly again, but anyways, we've got a COVID test done, and I'm negative, of course. So that's why I'm hoping and believing that everybody who's coming to college also have been tested negative. If not, I don't know. So I'm just dressed in this. I'm just wearing jeans and I'm wearing a top inside, but then to cover my hair, I'm just wearing this jacket, and plus it's very cold. So today is gonna be like a very packed day, very eventful day. I have 2 exams to do, and I hope this vlog reaches you all ASAP. I wish I can edit this and like post it ASAP. And yeah, this is my first time going back to college after or during this pandemic, you might say. And that's my mom, and she's also very excited actually to send me, because now she's gonna have the whole house to herself. She's gonna watch her stupid Philippine series.
I'm scared about it.
Like, I mean, we did take online classes, but I don't know, for some reason we have to do it offline. So anyways, let's just go. It had to happen now or then. And yeah, let's go. Boy, how do you feel?
I'm feeling good. Plus, I'm feeling scared.
Go. I don't
The time you come home.
So yeah, I thought Ashwar, so I thought Ashwar is going to come and buy, because that's how we usually go to college, but he decided not to, so all my efforts went for a waste. I literally, wow.
Hold it. I think it's better you hold it. The roads are fucked up.
Today is just not my day, which means I'm gonna...
Oh fuck. Your camera's gonna get screwed. It's better you keep it in your hand.
It went out of focus. Never mind. Say hi. Guys, this is Rider 353.
Keep an angle. Look good. Look at that. I will like keep. No, not so much. Little
Okay.
lift up. Like that.
Ah.
Exactly.
We're going to write an exam, although we look like really overdressed.
You're already recording.
Yeah. Bloopers. No, actually we just put this.
Exactly.
Get views at least for this. Because people don't watch normal content. People watch subscribe. All
See
of
my
this
video
rubbish.
also. Accident 7K views.
Yeah, see? Actually check out his channel. He has like a moto vlogging channel. So
What
if
is
you
it called?
Rider 350 vlogs. I'm not a bad friend. But yeah, now we're on the way to college. He was supposed to come by bike, which is how we usually travel, but then no. Today he's like, oh, let's just go by car. So now here I am, overly dressed for a car, but let's go. And yeah, I'm gonna study now. I'll catch you in college. Bye.
Me, I was not the type, but I was getting closer with every shot, closer to losing control. You didn't like me at first, but then we got to talking. We got closer
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
to the edge. Closer made me wonder, is it possible that I can change the way you see me? You see me? And is it possible that I can stay with you if you ain't busy? I can make it worth your. Is it possible?
So we just got done with having lunch at what's the time, bro? 6 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock? 5:30. It's 5:30. We just got done with lunch, and the whole day was so hectic. We were just studying, writing. I didn't vlog it because it was very awkward to vlog in college, because this is like a huge camera. This is not like a phone where I can actually vlog. So yeah, I don't even know if people can hear me, but I'm still dedication. Sindhu, are you on focus? Come, Shriya. Hello. Shriya. That's it. Nobody else is important here. No? You shouldn't watch. What happened now? You shouldn't say. I'll see you when I get home. So guys, it's been really long since I got my eyebrows done, and I don't know why every vlog of mine actually ends up in me coming here. But since it's been so long I got my eyebrows done, I just wanted to, and just look at my face. I'm so exhausted. But yeah, let's go get my eyebrows done now.
Few inches later.
Okay, so there's a slight update, guys. I didn't get my eyebrows done, although like I went for it, but those people just ended up telling us that the eyebrow people had just gone home, and it was only 7:30, so it was very weird, but okay, it is what it is. So what I decided is to sit down here and sort my assignment scene, because there are quite a lot of assignments I haven't submitted, and I don't know how. I've always tried submitting it on time, but it always just happens. It's actually quite a lot. There are like 1 2 3 4 5 6 assignments to actually finish by the end of today or tomorrow, so I can submit the hard copies to college by Thursday. And if I don't get those marks, so I might as well just do it. And I don't know, see, the reason I look like this at the end of the day is because there's so much dirt, dust, everything on my face, and I feel so tired. My skin just feels so weird. So what I'll do right now is I will go wash my face, come back, and get to doing my assignments, or at least like trying to take printouts so I can submit it. So yeah, let's do that. And if possible, I'll try studying, because there's quite a lot, but it seems pretty easy. It's around, let me tell you, okay, no, I take my words back. It's a lot of slides to go through, so I don't know how it's gonna go. Hopefully it's gonna be fine. So yeah, let's see. I'll keep you guys updated on what I do next.
Excuse my indiscretion, but it's someone else. But yeah, I need to know, babe. 'Cause I saw you at the bar, and I knew I had to go for it. I couldn't stop, and then you gave me attitude and made me want it more. And this working, is it possible that I can change the way you?
Okay, so it's around 10:30, and I'm just trying to make my assignments work. Like, I'm just trying to figure out my assignments, but I'm not been able to take reference because everybody has like different topics, and it's just such a mess. I have like 24 hours to complete it. I have to conduct like 2 case studies and then write 2 assignments. Oh, it's a lot of work. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's how my day looks like. Even though I like wrote 2 exams, came back home, I'm still not free. Yeah, I thought I'll just fill you in with what happened in college. So basically we went to college. We did follow, like, you know, we did sanitize our hands and stuff in the beginning, but then once we went to college, there was absolutely no social distancing. Like, all of us are like really good friends. All of us were just sitting down and studying together and stuff. So one way, I don't think you see, there's only like a little you can avoid, but you cannot completely avoid contact with people, so it's bound to happen, so it's fine. So we were all sitting down and studying. I did try vlogging in between, it didn't happen. So yeah, we studied, we wrote 2 exams. One was from 10 to 11 and the other one was from 3 to 4. So we finished that exam, and then we went out, we ate lunch. Basically it was just like evening snacks, that's what you could call it. But then I ate so much that I'm like really full. I can't even eat dinner right now, because that's how hungry we were, and that's how much we ate. So with that, we just chilled around, and now that I'm back home, I'm just trying to get my remaining work done. But I feel kind of sick. Like, I actually feel kind of tired. Tired in the way, not like I want to sleep, but I'm just like physically exhausted for, I don't know, it's just been a very different feeling because I haven't gone to college since so long. Today being one of those days when I actually end up going to college. So yeah, it's actually a happy feeling. Now that we're returning to normal life. So tomorrow I don't have anything, and day after tomorrow I have an exam. So I need to study for that. This whole vlog has been such a ramble kind of a vlog, but I mean, this is my life. This is the actual life of an engineering student, at least after we reopened from like the pandemic and stuff. So this is how it is. It's gonna be very hectic because we've got like labs to do and all of that. So if any engineering student is watching, and if you relate, do like like this video. I mean, that's the least you can do. Or just comment down below and let me know if your college has also reopened, or if you're aspiring to be an engineering student. Just let me know. It's fun. Let's just communicate. And before I talk more than this, I want to get back and like finish my assignment, because I have a target to finish at least 2 assignments. So I'm going to keep you guys updated on how many assignments I finish. So let's do this.
You see me, yeah. And is it possible that I can stay with you if you ain't busy? I can make it worth you. Is it possible?
So it's around 12, let me just see. It's 12:50, almost 1, and I am exhausted for the day. Started my day so early, like just went to college, got a lot of work done, wrote exams, came back home, did my assignments. I'm glad I think I could finish at least 3 today. I finished 3. Tomorrow I have to do like 1, and I'm so excited. I'm just going to finish that, take printouts, because in my college we have to submit hard copies. So that's what I'm going to do. And my room kind of looks really dim lit, because I genuinely like rooms to be like dim lit in the night. Like it just helps me calm down and like settle down to sleep, because I suffer a lot. Like I cannot sleep, but once I sleep I cannot wake up. I'm just this weird person. So yeah, that's about it with this vlog. It's been a very eventful day, as I told you, and yeah, it's been quite all over the place. But I am going to be trying to vlog as often as possible, because this is something I really love doing, and it's like a stress buster for me. So I look forward to talking to the camera, and I really want to put out quite a bit of my life on social media and on YouTube, because I want to look back at my life at one point of my life, and then just relive these kind of days, because I know for a fact that every day is just gonna be a memory tomorrow, and we're gonna miss living that. So I might as well capture some moments and have some memories. So today was the first day I went back to college after 10 months, to like actually see my classmates, to actually go back into our regular routine of working in college, of studying in college, and writing an exam. It was so overwhelming. So it was just very nerve-wracking, and it was good at the same time. So I have no feelings about it. I'm partly happy, partly not happy, but it is what it is. This is gonna be my regular routine from now. And yeah, I'm gonna try showing you guys as much as I can. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, do forget to I'm just too stupid. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. If you really connect with me, then please do hit the subscribe button. It's gonna mean the world to me. And to be very honest, my new year resolution is to hit 1000 subscribers and to post regularly, which I really suck at. So I will keep up my promise of posting regularly. So please do hit the subscribe button and ring the tiny bell icon next to it, so you're notified every time I upload a video. So until we meet again, stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Bye bye.
Taking you home tonight. Wanna take it slow if needed, 'cause you are